In today's video, we are going to talk about how to fix foamy hot tub water. Foam in new spa water is caused by body oils and cosmetic products introduced to the spa by users. It can also be simple as washing detergent in your bathing costume. These products form a soap in the water, seen as foam. This will naturally increase over time as your spa water becomes slowly saturated. However, there are a few things to both prevent and reduce foam when it occurs. To avoid foam, use water only to wash your bathing costume. Avoid detergent as they add foam. Shower before use and minimize exposure to cosmetics. If foam does appear, try adding a flocculant that binds small particles of bacteria together, ready to be collected by your hot tub filter. Or, try using a no-foam product to reduce the foam once it has appeared in your spa. Remember, there is a reason your hot tub water is foamy and it's typically avoidable. See our starting up video to ensure you're up to speed with the best practices.